Hey guys, it's Rob. So I was walking across the Father Colon Bridge. Fucking bridge. It's a bridge in Augusta named after a priest that may have molested kids. Whatever. Anyways, there was a strong breeze and my hat blew off, and by the grace of luck or me magic, I was able to catch it before it went over the edge. Like, it went in slow motion. Like, it literally went over the rail, but it was up in the air, and I snatched it right out of the air. Like, I wish I had been recording and got it on video, but I magically saved my hat. You know, it's fucking ridiculous. I've literally worn this hat while riding on the back of fucking dragons and never had it move a fucking inch, but a stiff wind in Augusta and I almost fucking lose it. Fuck my life, right?